Okay, so Lara and I are here at the barn and we're watching Frisbee eat, and it's really fun. And that's Lara kissing her horse. Yep. Yeah, we had a lot of fun today. I got to go riding for the first time in a really, really long time. It was kind of scary. It was fun. Hi, Lara.
Oh God. Okay, we can focus on the horse again. Focus on you, huh? Yeah. Mr. Frizz. Okay, I need to go get that cat food.
The cat food?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we feed stray cats, basically. And, yeah.
Yeah, he doesn't like being a movie star.
He is for today. I haven't been in a video yet. Maybe I should say hi to the camera. Hi! If you do this, you can get both of us in it and like turn the camera.
No.
Now it's up at the sky.
Like this?
I like how I'm completely in it. It's okay, I don't know if we're looking.
Oh.